ready to do the Christ the Redeemer tour. I'm over here halfway up the mountain, and we just got dropped off by the first van, and we getting ready to head on the second van to take us to the tour. We try to catch up with my guide. I'm back again, second time around. First time I came, y'all know it was real foggy, couldn't see the monument. Now I'm back. Finally, I get back. 3 months ago, I couldn't get a good image. Now I got one, so here we go. That's the monument. And we're gonna go up. It's kind of rainy, y'all. It's a little rainy, but we make it, okay? Let's take a look at the Redeemer. Now there's a huge backstory to this. Last time I was here, I told y'all cracking jokes, saying things that I probably shouldn't have been saying. But I told everybody that this time around, I'm gonna do the right thing. I had kind of encountered a little bit of adversities on the way up, and I took the higher road, the bigger road, and I decided to just do the right thing. But here we are at the monument, Christ the Redeemer. It's a little rainy, a little drizzly. If you look around, it's hard to see. It's like we literally like in the clouds and stuff. So, but here's the monument right here. It's clear as day here, so. All right. Like I said, those of y'all that wanted to visit, probably never got a chance to, probably couldn't travel. I'm doing it for y'all, so we're doing this together. All right? Now let's walk around. Walk around the monument. Inside of the monument. Got a couple of chairs here, a couple people here just hanging out. This is one of the 7 wonders of the world. I think I mentioned this is my second time here. We got the speaker room in the back. We got camera sound system. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It says something like a replica. I don't know. Pause it. Take a look. So yeah, here we are. And if you take a really good look at this, you can see there's kind of like a face right here of the statue. It's similar to, but no jokes this time. A little serious. For some reason, it's kind of got a little wobble to it. Y'all look real closely, y'all can see it. Not sure why, but this is it. So this is the little chapel. So this is the second time that I've been here and it's rained. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this right here. But this time I actually got a good look at, I'm getting a good look at the monument. It's hard to see outside of here, but it's definitely raining. If you ever wanted to visit the monument, here you are, you got first look at how it would look in person. It's my alarm, y'all. Really tall here.
Do lado aqui, ó. So now there's one more level. A little easier to take a picture. Like I said, it's kind of raining right now. I hope I'm not going to damage my metal glasses. Alright, now it's starting to get a little cloudy and foggy, but I got a good look before it's starting to get too dark. Alright. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, if you like this content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. See y'all soon. Peace. Alright, y'all. So I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but that is the train that comes here to this monument. So there's two ways apparently to get here. One is by train and one is by bus. But that right there, down there, is the train that is actually taking off now. Okay? So that's the monument. It's kind of getting covered up by the weather. And this is the line for the elevator to leave here. So, yeah, we technically in the clouds, y'all. That's why it's so hard to see out there. But normally, on a not so cloudy day, we'll be able to see the city. Last time I came, it was so packed and so busy. It was just hard to get a clear look at what was going on. But, oh, yes, that's right. Say what's up, man. That's right. Shout out to the staff here, y'all. All right.
But last time I came, it was so cloudy, you couldn't really see anything. And this time, I got a good look at the, got to take a good look. So, shout out to y'all for watching the content. All right. Thank you. Alright, so this is the elevator going down from the monument. What's going on? And second time around, y'all. So gradually, hopefully, this right here is what it is. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all soon. Peace.